In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mail Merge in Gmail Beginner Guide. Mail Merge lets you send one message to many people while keeping each email personalized. We'll use a simple setup with Gmail, Google Sheets, and the Mergo Mail Merge add-on. First, install the Mergo Mail Merge add-on in your web browser from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once it's installed, open Gmail and you'll see the Mergo icon in the right-hand side panel. That's your quick access to Mail Merge features inside Gmail. Next, click the App Launcher, the 9 dots at the top right, and open Google Sheets. Create a new sheet to hold your recipient list. In the first row, add headers for the information you want to personalize, like email and first name. Under those headers, fill in the details for each recipient. Keep your column names clean and consistent. Capitalization and spacing should match how you'll reference them in your message. Now switch back to Gmail and click Compose. Write the email you want to send to everyone, including a clear subject line. To personalize the greeting with the recipient's first name, use the placeholder exactly like this: Hi, or have first name. These double curly braces must match your sheet's header text, so if your column is first name, that's what you put in the braces. When you're happy with the message, close the window to save it as a draft. Open the Mergo panel on the right. Before proceeding, confirm that your Gmail draft is saved with the subject line you intend to use. In Mergo, choose the Mail Merge option. When prompted, select the Gmail draft you just created. Then connect your Google Sheet. If a picker window opens, choose the file that contains your recipient list and select the correct tab if your sheet has multiple tabs. Make sure Mergo correctly maps your columns, especially email and first name. Email should point to the column that holds your recipient's email addresses, and first name should map to the column with their names. If anything looks off, adjust the field mapping so your placeholders match perfectly. Finally, enable tracking so you can see which emails are opened, replied to, clicked, or bounced. These insights help you measure engagement and keep your list clean. Review your subject, sender, and preview to ensure everything looks right. When you're confident, send the Mail Merge. That's it, your personalized emails are on their way. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.